Watch out, aquí estamos en el auction. Alamo Auctioneers, here it is, look. I was telling y'all that we had a trailer right here, mira. Completita, papa. Look at the enclosed trailer. Good tires, shit, mira. Las llantitas, both locks, ramp door, side door. Damn, ¿qué más quieres, papá? And look at the truck. Damn. This is a nice little truck right here. Shit, yeah. King Ranch. Oh shit, this is gonna be on the auction this weekend, guys. Mira las llantitas. Man, damn, this is a nice truck. Pero chale, mira. Está muy chingón, look at it. Shit, hell no, this truck's too big for me, guys. But look at, damn. Come and check it out this weekend.